Acquire English. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how to use unfortunately. We use unfortunately to mean something is sad or disappointing. Unfortunately, all of the flights are canceled. I'm really sick. Unfortunately, I can't go on our date tonight. Do you want to see a movie tomorrow? Yeah. Unfortunately, I have to work. We wanted to go to the music festival. Unfortunately, it was sold out. We use fortunately to say something is lucky or unexpectedly good. There was a bad accident. Fortunately, no one was injured. I hurt my arm. Fortunately, it wasn't broken. Give it a go. Try to make a sentence using unfortunately or fortunately and leave it in the comments below.